The ENTR program is actually designed for everybody. For all our students at UST, we invite them to actually join. We focus on entrepreneurial thinking. How can you actually learn something and at the same time go out and explore different things? We also look at how you actually look at things. Because the world is so unknown, everything is changing so fast, then you need to be able to actually find out, or when you see something, are you able to actually reframe it, to change it into opportunity, and then find a new possibility of creating something. Actually, I normally use the ASK model: attitude, skill, and knowledge. Skills are transferable. Skills are things that you learn, but you are able to actually apply it to something else. Okay? But then the knowledge parts require sometimes deeper, more time to actually do things. So how do you pack both in to actually learn? It's actually very important. But more important, as we said, is do you see that as an opportunity? Do you see that as I need to do it with ethics, with integrity? So ASK work together to learn. Actually, I really think that in the future, most of the class would actually be experiential learning based. Experiential actually means that you actually go through experience. Let's say I create a new company. So in the middle, I might need to talk to people, understand their problem. I might need to actually create a solution, try it many times, prototyping. So what's the difference? Obviously, all these you might have, a PowerPoint can actually teach you, but there's nothing that can replace you going out, talking to the real people, trying to sell your first product, create your first prototype to see if it fails or works and so on. But then learning through the process, you actually do it so fast that you don't see that as a failure. So entrepreneurial mindset actually allows you to say, hey, learning fast meaning failure doesn't matter. So we design all the class as experience. Yeah, this is the AI era. It will change everything. Let's say in the internet age, people go and search things. But in the AI age, people go and solve problems. We bring AI into all our classes, and then we decide how to actually use it. Our class is a lot of experiential-based thing. We don't have exams. We have final presentation though. We don't want to actually focus on the final result. We want you to go through the process. How do you ask AI how do you ask AI? How do you prompt it? How do you use it for coding to actually solve problem? How do you validate if what it says is correct? All these are actually part of the process. And the way that we design it is actually allow you to do that. We also have a software, Professor Yi, that we actually designed, particularly with ENTR in mind. Think of it, we are the first class in the whole world where potentially the software is designed for the course. Professor Yi as a software, and the software is an AI chatbot that will actually go through this particular cycle, which is what, so what, and now what. So the AI will actually help you look into yourself and see some of the weak points and learn from the good points. We don't expect everybody to actually run us out. We actually expect you to be able to use technology, handle innovation, be able to change fast and learn from failure quickly, because that's what the world is about. Having entrepreneurial thinking and mindset and being able to learn and solve problems, it's more important than just running a startup. Running a startup is just one of the possibilities.
Thank you for
Thank you.